In most parking lots, you'll find two lanes, each catering to traffic moving in opposite directions. It's very important to always drive on the right hand lane. This ensures a smooth flow of traffic and minimizes the risk of collisions with other vehicles. Now, let's move on to finding a parking spot. So I feel this is very important for many beginner drivers. The key here is to look for a space that is large enough to accommodate your vehicle comfortably, right? Ideally, you want a spot with a lots of room on either side to maneuver without feeling cramped, without feeling like you're going to hit the other vehicle. So let's avoid spaces that are too tight or next to large vehicles like trucks or vans, which can obstruct your view and make parking more challenging for you, especially which you're just learning how to park right now, right? And you're a beginner driver. Once you identified a suitable spot, signaling your intention to park by turning on your indicator is a must. This is very crucial. It's is going to alert other drivers of your intention and helps prevent accidents. So, as you approach the spot, slow down and position your car parallel to the parked cars. Aim to leave about 2 feet of space between your vehicle and the curb. This distance allows you enough room to maneuver without hitting the curb or parked cars that are around you. Now, before you start the parking maneuver, take a moment to check your surroundings. Look into your rear view and side mirrors, and don't forget to check your blind spots. Make sure there are no approaching vehicles or pedestrians. This is critical step that allows you to make sure that you won't collide with anyone or anything while trying to park your vehicle. Now let's get into the actual maneuvering. So start by turning your steering wheel towards the parking spot. Slowly begin to drive into the spot, making sure to keep an eye on both sides of your car. Always at all times. This is very important. Adjust your steering wheel as needed to ensure that you're entering the spot straight. If you're too close to one side, do not be afraid, don't panic. Just back up and realign your vehicle. It's important and it's very important to always look at your mirrors just to make sure that you're clear and ready to back up or, do what you got to do in order to realign your vehicle. It's better to take a few extra seconds to park correctly than to risk damaging your car or other people. As you enter the spot, gradually straighten your steering wheel to align your tires parallel with the curb. This might require a few small adjustments, so take your time. Be patient. If you find that you're not perfectly aligned, do not hesitate. Just back up slightly and move forward again to get the perfect alignment. Remember, precision is key to successful parking. So now that your car is in the spot, let's talk about positioning. So make sure your car is centered within the parking space. There should be an equal distance between your car and the vehicle on the side, on each side. This not only looks neat, but also prevents your car from being too close to others, reducing the risk of scratches or dents. So make sure that you have enough space on both sides. Being centered also makes it easier for you and other drivers to enter and exit the parking space. Once you're satisfied with your position, it's time to make sure and, secure your vehicle. So engage the parking brake to make sure that your car stays in place. If you have an automatic transmission, shift your car into park P. For those with a manual transmission, put your car in gear. This step is crucial for preventing your car from rolling, especially if you're parked on an incline. Finally, turn off the ignition and remove the keys.
Real quick, I made the Driving TV Ultimate Guide so you don't waste hours reading boring stuff that you don't even need. This is straight to the point, exactly what they'll test you on. You'll know what to expect on the test day, what maneuvers they want, the requirements, everything. I even packed in 100 real DMV questions and answers. If you want to pass on the first try, grab it now, links in the description.
So, guys, let's quickly recap the steps to make sure that you got everything down. Ready? One, find a suitable spot. Look for a space that has a lot of room on either side. Two, signal your intention. Turn on your indicator to alert other drivers. Three, position your vehicle. Align parallel to the curb with about 2 feet of space. Four, check your surroundings. Use the mirrors and check blind spots for safety. Five, maneuver into the spot. Turn the wheel towards the spot and enter slowly. Six, straighten out. Align your tires parallel to the curb. Seven, check your position. Make sure you're centered in the spot. And eight, secure the vehicle. Engage the parking brake, shift into park, and turn off the engine. Guys, practice these steps regularly to improve your parking skills. It's normal to need a few tries before you actually get it. It happens to everybody. Do not be discouraged if it takes some time. Have patience with yourself. Be patient. With consistency, you will become more confident and you will get the skill um right there. And it'll become just natural to you, right? So just be patient, practice, 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 because it's the most important thing. Thank you for watching our comprehensive tutorial, this mini tutorial that I wanted to put out there for all of you. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Your support helps me a lot and allows me to continue creating content that improves your driving skills. So leave that comment, give me that like, and safe driving, and see you in the next video.